We are drinkers. It's my birthday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Šhäre. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. If you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know whenever I make a video. So guys, this is gonna be my birthday prep vlog, whatever you call it. I forgot to show you guys when I was doing my toes, doing my hair. That's what's out. So everything is kind of running back. I was supposed to do my lash, never get to do. I don't know if that bad I do. But I'm heading to do my nails right now. So yeah, I know I haven't vlogged in a while, guys. I'll explain that in a while. Right now I'm using my back camera. I don't even know if I'm in frame because the screen protector on my phone broke, so it's kind of making the camera blurry. So anyways, so yes, I'm heading there now, so I'll show you guys what I get when I do. So see you guys. Those are my toes. Rusty toes. Alright guys, so I got back some time ago. These are the nails. These are the birthday nails. So yes, it's gonna pause until tomorrow when I'm washing my hair, and then on Monday when I'm Tuesday morning when I'm actually doing the hair. So yeah, these are the nails.
Kitana wins flawless victory.
Hi guys. Hey, so guys, today is my birthday. Yeah, so this is the birthday vlog. I started this vlog, but it's kind of hard to vlog on my phone right now because of the front camera and all. So I'm vlogging on the camera. So how are you guys doing? It's been a while. It's really been a while. I think I haven't posted in like 3 or 4 weeks. I'm not sure how long ago, but it's been a while. So it's my 28th birthday, and right now I'm about to do my hair. We're not at school today because of the rains that were happening over the weekend, so no school today, which I'm happy about. I don't really like school that much. I enjoy it sometimes, but not all the while. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and maybe makeup. I'm not sure. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I don't even know what style I am actually looking to get right now. I need something to prop you guys up so that it's not so low. It's just kind of too high. Not really. Can't go on, right? Yeah. So I don't know what style I'm going. They're so loud in my video. Like, I'm so loud. Anyways, I'm gonna use the tripod so I can put it somewhere here. So yeah. Alright, so here is the hair. I'm sweaty right now. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the fan because audio. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this on. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my, well, I had an idea. I did this look once and I liked it, so I said I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna actually put more effort into it, so hopefully that turns out fine. So I'm gonna try that right now. Cheers guys, how have you guys been doing? It's been raining, you know, and all, so trying to find the center of my head. I can't pass through save my life. I don't know this. Like, I don't even remember what I did for this video. for this hairstyle. Right, that's that. I have to look back on the hair. So I'm gonna look at it and see what it looks like, and then try to see how I can improve it, because as I'm saying, I did it, but I didn't really do it to, you know, actually just put in something and it worked. So where is it? Makeup done. I'm done. And I'm outside. I don't know, I kind of look dark, but oh well. Yeah. Mother! So I came to buy the cake, guys. So the cake is bought. Dad didn't want me following, so I'm following.
So guys, it's my birthday. I'm doing a voiceover and I am taking some pictures and then I'm gonna cut my cake. Ooh. Seriously.
Tove needs to go. Yeah, sing. We can't sing yet.
I don't notice I made a voiceover in my voiceover.
So sorry.
So excited, so excited. What's my face? Okay, alright, now. Oh, she's yes.
This a bit tough. What do you mean feel tough? I mean, I still take it. Now, could you please come and share it? I can't shake her. There was blood.
You need to taste your cake.
But it a go spoil me dinner.
One little bit.
My mother will beat me.
This is the time to do the revenge.
Yeah, but she have one face.
So, what's so funny? You want?
No! I dare you not. Cha.
Me a girl could sympathy because she have one face.
And that catch me.
Jesus, you're close to being a monkey.
It's really tough. Me have been every long time.
You tough? You just want
Tough.
you just want chill out to come under the light.
Daddy, if I don't eat my dinner, I blame them. Them fault.
Oh, me? I just have a phone.
Me too. I just have
Shani, could you please come share?
Should I still be rolling?
No. Upload kangaroo. Yes, them will fix up my decks. We'll catch them. Look at that. Pretty place. Tongues. Does she have little blow?
Yes. Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Maybe we just see many, many more.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Yeah, she's there.
That's true.
1, 2, 3. Wow. Happy birthday.
Ed was a person.
Let's me enjoy it. 1 week later, we're still celebrating.
Morning. Birthday is on Saturday for those who want to give me money. Yes, I said money, not gifts.
I want her. Thank you. Pause it.